Are you a business owner and you're struggling, stressed out, and you're wondering, how can I build a business that runs itself? I had a restaurant a few years ago, although right now I own my own exterior cleaning business. I had a restaurant where I was responsible for training, hiring, payroll. I was responsible for filing taxes. So I was doing everything, and it can be exhausting to do all of that on top of managing your own business. It is a lot of stress if you're doing everything yourself. So how do you build a business that runs itself? So then one thing that one needs to do, and which I did, is to pass on some responsibility to other people. That is delegating. I know when it is your business, you want everything to be perfect. And the only way you can ensure that is doing it yourself. There's a thin line between being so perfect and burning out. So you burn out because you want to do everything yourself. And the truth be told, yes, probably people are not going to do it exactly how you'd want it to be done, especially in the beginning. But over a period of time, with encouragement and training, people can excel, and actually sometimes they can outdo you, So you need to delegate. That's the first thing. If you have a lot on your plate, you're stressed out, like if you can't even go on vacation, because once you go on vacation, you're worried how the business is going to run itself. The first thing is to find people that you can train. Find people that you can train and delegate work. Once you do that, you lessen the heavy load that you have on your shoulders. You lessen the time that you have to be present in the business. It will help you release some of the stress when you have other people helping you hold the load, that you're not the only one lifting that load. So consider delegating some of the tasks, especially tasks that probably are overwhelming or you don't even like doing, that you may concentrate on those tasks that move the needle. Don't try to do everything yourself. You'll burn out, you'll hate doing the job. You understand? Of course, in the beginning, you're going to do more because you're just trying to stretch every dollar that you have, so you wouldn't have money to hire people. But as you do that, this is the second thing that you need to do to make your business run itself. As you do that, establish systems. For example, we in pressure washing or any other services that is outside services, lawn care, painting and all of that, as you do the job, make sure you note down, like, how long does it take to do certain jobs? How long does it take you as a business owner to clean a certain area or a driveway, a certain size of a driveway or a patio? How long does it take you to do that? You write it down, and then you approximate how much you pay per hour to do such a job. You need to establish these systems. How much you pay per hour. Later on, it can help you how much you can pay per job. So establish systems. So systems are very important if you want your business to run by itself. Of course, speaking of that, is to get a customer relationship management system, CRM. This also can lessen your burden. Of course, some of them, or not some of them, you have to pay monthly or even a year subscription to use them, like Joba and others. These systems help you streamline processes. It streamlines even getting payment. You don't want to finish a job and then you don't get paid. So you're able to quote, you're able to send a quote to a customer And when you finish the job, you're able to send an invoice, and then they pay. And everything is seen. Like you see, you track your expenses, you track the jobs that are being finished, completed, and if payments are being done. In this way that you know exactly which customer has paid and which one hasn't paid yet. This helps a lot when you have a customer relationships management system, CRM. So consider also, if you don't have a CRM as part of your operations, consider having one, because it will lessen the burden, to lessen you having to be doing paperwork and all of that, and also it will help your business to run by itself. Even when you're not there, you can be on vacation, but you have that CRM and you can see exactly what is happening. You understand? So you consider having a CRM as part of your ecosystem in your business. You could consider, if you want also a business run by itself, maybe bringing on partners. This is not something that I really recommend, but it can also help you, because once you're not there and the partner is there, the business still runs by itself. You can at least know that there's someone who has the skin in the game who will look out for you. But also, of course, you have to vet which partners you bring on board. You bring partners on board not only because they have money to contribute to your business, to be partners, but also what do they bring in terms of skills, in terms of connection. So if you got any value in this video, I'll kindly ask you to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and consider joining the membership club, our membership club, by clicking the join button below under this video. Also leave a comment below. What are some of the systems you're using in your business that your business runs on its own? Even when you're not there, things are still going on the way you would want. So you could leave a comment below. I would love to hear your story. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.